Hello Su Ben English learners, and welcome to the second episode of Learning English from Landscapes. I'm Ting, and today we are here near gas station number 8 on Bùi Hưu Nghĩa Street, Bưu Hoa Wood, Biên Hòa City, Dong Nai Province, Vietnam. Today we're gonna visit a popular place in Binh Duong Province, Aeon, Binh Duong Canary. Now, join us for the trip. Let's go! Hey guys, here's our route. The route has 11 stages and is about 14.5 kilometers long. Now we are on Bùi Hưu Nghĩa Street, the first stage of the route. As you know, Aeon Binh Duong Canary is at number 1 Bình Dương Boulevard, Binh Giao Quarter, Thương Giao Wood, Thương An Town, Bình Dương Province. It will take us about 30 minutes to get there. It will take longer if there is busy traffic. Okay guys, this is on Minh Chánh Street and the second stage of the route. Today the street is very bad because it's under construction. A drainage system is being installed. Now we're at the intersection of Hoàng Minh Chánh Street and National Highway 1K or Nguyễn Ái Quốc Street. Traffic is usually busy at rush hours because there is the market, a primary school, and a big company near here. Okay, we don't turn left or turn right here, we just go straight through the intersection. Hey guys, we're gonna see a market on the left side. Okay, here it is, Hoa An Market. This street is also Hoàng Minh Chánh Street. Now we are turning right onto an unnamed street leading to Vinh Minh Dak Street, the fourth stage of the route. Residents call the street In the Hamlet Road because it connects the hamlets near here to each other. Okay, we are turning left. Yeah, this is Vinh Minh Dak Street or Thorn Pit Road because there is a quarry near here and it has been banned from being exploited. Now we are on Bùi Thị Xuân Street. It's quite long. This stretch belongs to Biên Hòa City. The quarry is behind this fence. It's now very deep and has a lot of water. The fence can prevent vehicles and people from falling into it. Oh, I almost forgot. There is a famous eating place on this street. The beef hot pot here is very delicious. Please try it. This street is also Bùi Thị Xuân Street, but it belongs to Bình Dương Province. This stretch is wide and nice. Now we're going through Binh Duong intersection. It's the intersection of Bùi Thị Xuân Street and Phan Văn Diêu Street. Okay, we are in Tầng Ward, Aeon Town, Bình Dương Province. Hey guys, we're coming to meet for Tân Văn Expressway. Here it is. Let's turn right onto it. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this road. My Phước Tân Văn Expressway, with the length of about 30 kilometers, connects My Phước Industrial Park, an urban complex with Binh Duong Ward, Aeon Town. It runs through several major industrial parks located across 4 districts and towns: Bến Cát, Thủ Dầu Một, Thuận An, and Aeon. It has total investments of 3.5 trillion Vietnam dong in the form of BOT. Its construction started in August 2009 and completed 4 years later. Hey guys, we have reached the traffic jam. We have to ride a motorbike on the sidewalk because there is no space in the roadway. Now we are in An Phú Ward, Thuận An Town, Bình Dương Province, and turning left onto Road DT 743. Traffic is jammed again. We are lucky. Outside is clear. Bye-bye Road DT 743. Now we are turning right onto road number 6. It's in Vietnam Singapore Industrial Park 1. The next stage is road number 15. Okay, it's in front of us. Now we are turning right onto Freedom Avenue. This avenue is about 3 kilometers long. It borders road number 15 at one end and Bình Dương Boulevard at the other end. Although Aeon Binh Duong Canary is at number 1 Bình Dương Boulevard, it entrance for motorbikes on Freedom Avenue. So we have to make a U-turn onto the other lane of Freedom Avenue at the intersection of Freedom Avenue and Bình Dương Boulevard. Hey guys, there's the entrance to the mall. Here we are.